What's up, everybody? It's your boy Hemi checking in for another amazing video. It's a beautiful Saturday morning here in South Atlanta, Georgia. And once again, I'm heading to the car shop. But I love the upgrades I did so far, honestly. From the mid-muffler deletes, to the window tint, to the neon lights under the bottom. Like, it's coming together. But I still got some stuff in store. I'm headed to the shop today. A good car shop out here in Atlanta, Georgia, called Dream Motorsports. You guys can Google them. You guys can follow their YouTube channel. I'll actually drop a link down below so you guys can check out their content. But Dream Motorsports, they do great work. Like, I haven't been exposed to too many car shops that is well-rounded with a lot of stuff and is able and capable of doing a lot of things until I ran into Dream Motorsports. Their prices are pretty good. Their work is fast, and you know your car or whatever you're getting done, you know your work is going to be good. You know your vehicle is going to go in, it's going to come out looking good or sounding good or whatever it may be. That's the shop I know for, you know, for the looks and, you know, like sound system and everything like that. I know it's another shop in North Atlanta called Injected Engineering. You get reviews about them. Once I start, you know, doing upgrades to my engine and everything up under the hood, I'm gonna head over to Injected Engineering and have them guys work under my hood. And like I said, I heard a lot of good reviews about those guys. You go there, get your car tuned. You want a Pro Charger, Supercharger, cams, headers, full exhaust. You know, Injected Engineering, from what I heard, they'll get you right. They will get you right. So I'm gonna check those guys out, you know, as soon as I start upgrading up under the hood, you know. But it's kind of early. Well, not early, but it's about 10 o'clock. Make sure you guys go over to Instagram and Facebook and follow the page, man. I'm gonna drop the link down below in the description. Make sure you go to Instagram and follow Bout That Life Car Club. Also head over to Facebook and follow Bout That Life Car Club on Facebook as well. Soon you're gonna be hearing about Bout That Life Car Club, you know, nationwide, honestly. I'm heading over here to Dream Motorsports to get some new shoes on my baby. Yep. I think it's about that time to put some new shoes on her. That look like one of the guys that was at the meet. Spring will be here soon. You know, cars will be out. Everybody's gonna be out flexing and flossing. And I think rims make a car look 10 times better, in my opinion. Me, honestly. I got these rims on a great deal. Like, a deal that you can't pass up. The average price of these rims are about $3,000 brand new. But stay tuned, and I will actually tell you what I paid for them and show you how they look on the car. All right, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Hemi. It's a final product, man. And a 22-inch Robos, looking mighty good, man. Looking clean, man. I like that. May have to get these freaking bolts cut down. For the most part, man, she looking good. She looking real good. Looking real good, man. Make the car look 10 times better. Yes, sir. But once again, make sure y'all go to the page, man. Instagram page at HemiGuy370. Make sure you subscribe down below. Head over to the Facebook page. Make sure you like and follow the Bumblebee. We definitely got a lot more upgrades, a lot more reviews and mods coming.